Hi, what's your name?
My name is Joey. I'm an accountant.
How do you know about RJ Clinic?
I saw your ad from Facebook and I decided to come and try.
What are your skin concerns?
I am suffering acne and acne scars problem. Yeah.
So since you have acne, so what treatment are you gonna do today at RJ Clinic?
I heard the acne facial here is very effective, so I would like to give it a try.
Wow, that's great to hear. Are you ready to try our acne facial?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Hi, Miss Joey. Since your treatment is done, can you share with me your overall experience at RJ Clinic?
I feel the environment here is very calm and relaxing, and the staff here is very friendly and helpful as well. Overall, the treatment is very relaxing and comfortable, and I feel like I can just sleep throughout the treatment.
Wow, that's great to hear. Would you recommend RJ Clinic to your friends?
Yes, definitely, and I will come back again. Thank you.